Step 1. Open the email sent by our Epic Wallpaper store. Step 2. Tap on Download Content and open the link in Safari. Step 3. Tap on the Download button to start downloading your full HD video. Step 4. Once your download is finished, tap on the blue download icon on the top left corner, and then tap on Downloads. Step 5. Tap on the downloaded video, and save it to your device. Step 6. Go to the App Store, and download the app, Video to Live. If this app does not work for you, you can alternatively download these other apps. Step 7. Open the app, and select the saved video. Step 8. Adjust the video to your liking, and choose the thumbnail for the live photo. Step 9. Once finished, tap on Make. Step 10. Your live photo will be saved to your device. Step 11. Go to Settings, then tap on Wallpaper, and select your live photo. Step 12. Finally, adjust the live photo and set up to your liking. Enjoy your brand new wallpaper.